In this video you will learn how to mix different audio tracks. In technical words, overlaying one audio on top of another. So for this exercise, I have these two audio files. This one and also a saxophone. And we're going to make music out of this. So I have loaded both these files, bit in this variable, so bit.wave file, and the sax variable holding the sax.wave file. Now, if you see the length of beat and the length of sax, you're going to see that sax is twice as long as beat. 7.1 seconds for the saxophone track and 3.5 seconds for the beat track. So let's overlay them. But we need to do something before we overlay this. We want them to have the same length. So what I'm going to do is create a new beat2 variable, which is equal to beat times 2. So just to see what we have is beat2 export. You don't have to save this into an audio file, but I just want to demonstrate you what we have so far. So run that, and beat2 is double the length of the original beat. And it has the same length as sax.wave. Then what we do is we create a variable, another one, which will contain the mixed audio. So that is beat2.overlay. That is the method that overlays one audio on top of another. So mixed.export, mixed.wave, run. We have this output, mixed.wave, and let's listen to it. And that's how you make music with Python. So we overlaid two different tracks and it sounds better than listening to them separately, or at least that's what I think. Now that you know how to overlay two different audio files, then you could do something like the final is equals to beat2 plus maybe start with mixed, so that variable. And then we continue perhaps times 2, so 2 times the mixed file plus a solo saxophone, so just the sax plus beat 2 plus sax to close the music track. So final.export, final.wave, run, and the output is generated. So it's around 42 seconds. Let's listen to that. If you cannot listen because it's too long, you have to download it. The REPL player might not be very good to listen to long audio files. So here is the audio downloaded. Here comes the saxophone. And that is some basic audio mixing, and you need to use your own imagination to do some better mixing of your audio. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use the py.dub library. It's very intuitive, as you can see. I hope you have fun working with it. I'll talk to you in the next videos. See you.